Mopar time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Dodge Charger, one of the more popular years as far as body style goes. One of our better sellers when we get them in. This particular one, as you can see, is in bright green poly. That is the original color this would have came. F6 is the paint code on that. 383 underneath the hood. 727 torque flight transmission. Now let's take a good look up front here. Of course, the hideaway headlights. We'll take a look at the chrome, grille, surround. You can see what kind of shape that is in. Paint, very presentable on this car. Now, as far as still pictures, you can see the underside of this, engine bay, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us at 507-386-1726. Torque thrust, American Racing wheels, Cooper Cobra radials, and you can see up and down the length of this car. Take a look at this passenger side. These are not a short car, so you can take a look up and down that one. Good length of this car, and you can see how straight it is. Now, I mentioned 383 underneath the hood. It has had some work done to it. In 2018, it was actually rebuilt, and there are receipts that if you wanted to see, consult with a sales associate. Be happy to go through that with you. But it would be heads, cam bearings, ARP bolt kit and head bolts, performer intake, new push rods, plugs, ignition, headers, also water pump, fuel pump, gaskets, and more. There's like $11,000 worth of work was done to this in 2018. We'll fire it up to here in just a bit so you can hear it run. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This here is a vinyl, would come off. The next owner would like to have that done, so I'll let you know. It's kind of a sticker or vinyl sticker, so you could peel that off of that flat black stripe back there. The vinyl top also was a factory option on this car, as well as center console was added to it. I don't believe it showed center console on the data tag or fender tag, which you can check out in the still pictures. I believe that was one thing that was added. Hood mounted turn signals was on there, I can remember. Also has power steering, a couple of the options on it. But in the still pictures, you'll be able to see that fender tag. You can decode it. Check that out. Now, see door panels, nice shape. Seats do not appear to be much wear at all to those, or as rips, tears, anything like that. Let's go ahead and fire this up. It is just a little cold-blooded, so we'll warm her up here just a little bit, and we'll take a look underneath the hood and let you hear it run. There is a choke down here. I did pull that out after cranking a couple times. Got the choke pulled out, fired up. Like I said, a little bit cold-blooded till it warms up. And this thing sounds healthy. Aftermarket tack added up here, as you can see. Also an aftermarket stereo. Get her cleared out a little bit here. Hear this run. Idle's going to be a little bit high on it. Make sure that chokes all the way back in. Again, built 383 underneath the hood. I'll let it warm up here a little bit. It'll come off looks and the way it sounds. I'm going to go ahead and pause this, let it warm up just a tad, get it off that high idle. We'll pop open the hood, check out the engine bay. So give me a second here. All right, we're warmed up now. Choke is all the way back in. See, idle's down. Idle's about 800, just shy of 1,000 RPM. Smooth runner. Again, 383 header. Performer intake. Receipts on it. Rebuilt in 2018. Like to see those receipts, consult with the sales associate. We're happy to show you those or go through what it says on there. Something else, I wanted to flip open the headlight doors. I turned the headlights on. Show you the doors work there. Also played around with wipers work. Here's all the gauges work in this one. Radio worked on the inside. Just want to hit those things with you too. Flip around to the back of this now that she's warmed up. That choke's all the way back in. Here to the low idle. See the taillights working. Listen to that. Nice sounding car. Alright, so you guys see it from a cold start, and once it's warmed up. 1969 Dodge Charger F6. Bright green poly. Black vinyl top. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.